The topic we are discussing today is SSL. If you are running any web-based service like Tomcat or IIS, you may concern about the security. SSL can help you to secure the information between your browser and the website. Norming has many products running with Tomcat, like Resource Manager. For security reasons, your client could ask you to help them to apply the SSL for Tomcat. Generally, we need 3 steps to configure the SSL. The first step and the second step, if you are lucky, this can be done by the client's IT department. You only need to do the third step to configure the GKS file for the Tomcat. If not, don't worry, I will still cover step 1 and step 2 in this video. We can start from the first step. To have SSL in place, you need to purchase the certificate file from a supplier. You can search it from Google for your local supplier. Take GoDaddy as example. It's a very popular certificate vendor. You can go to their website and request the certificate file. Here is their website. You can click SSL certificates for further steps. Or you can contact their sales team for help. To get the certificate file, you need 2 additional steps. The first step is to use the OpenSSL tool to generate the SSL request file. You can get this tool from the internet. Search OpenSSL Lite and go into the website. You can download the Windows version, the Lite version, to the server. Remember, you must run the application on the server because it needs the server information for the SSL request. After the installation, you need to run this command to get the request file. The first file is a private key. You need to keep this file for further use. The CSR file will be uploaded to the vendor's website for the certificate. After you install the OpenSSL, you should be able to find it from your Start menu. Open the file location. You need to run that command as administrator. Use this command in the OpenSSL command box. It asks you for some information. You can enter the country code, your city code, and organization name, unit, IT department, and the server domain name like an email address. And the password is very important. After you get the certificate file, you need the password to convert it to the GKS file that's required by the Tomcat. After you finish entering all the information, you will see 2 files being generated, the private key and the CSR file. So keep the password and the private key for the next step. You can upload the CSR file to GoDaddy website, and the certificate file will be generated with the CSR file you upload. You can also generate the CSR file and the private key from the supplier's website. You can find the video on YouTube. Here is a very quick video to show you the steps. And if your supplier's website doesn't provide a tool to generate this file, you can use the Open SSL tool.
This How to 1 Minute will show you how to generate CSR in GoDaddy. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to generate your CSR code. First of all, open GoDaddy website and log into your account. Now click on your profile. Click on My Products. Here, click on Web Hosting and click on Manage. And we have to open our cPanel admin. So click on cPanel admin. Once you are in your cPanels, click on this search box and type here SSL and click on SSL/TLS. And here you will get this option, Certificate Signing Request CSR. So you have to click on Generate, View or Delete SSL Certificate Signing Request. Once you are here, enter here your domains. Enter here your domain, enter here your city, enter your state, select your country, enter here your company, and you can add your email and then click on Generate. And as you can see, my CSR code has been successfully generated. So this is how we can do it.
And after this, you have to upload the CSR file to GoDaddy website, then download it. Here is the steps how you can download the certificate files.
To download SSL certificate in GoDaddy. So go to your GoDaddy product page and then select the SSL certificates and then select Manage for the certificate you want to download, and under the download certificate select the server type and then select download zip file, and basically that's it.
Okay, please note when you choose the server type, you need to choose Tomcat because Resource Manager runs on Tomcat. After you download the certificate file, we can move to the second step to convert the certificate file to the GKS format used by Tomcat. Here is the zip file from GoDaddy. If you find more than one file in the zip file, you need to combine them into one single file. You can use this command to combine the files. Open SSL. Run as administrator. Key in the two file names. And the new certificate file name. Now the files being combined into one new certificate file. After that, before you generate the GKS file, you need to convert the new certificate to the PFX file. You need your private key, your new certificate file, to generate the PFX. You can name the PFX like mySSL.pfx. Enter the password for the PFX, and the file being generated. Now we can convert the PFX to GKS with this command. Before you run it, please check your Java version. Make sure the Java version is higher than 1.8.0401. You can use java/version to check your Java version. If your Java version is lower than that, you can go to Oracle website to download the latest GRE or JDK. Install the GRE or JDK and don't forget to restart the server. To convert PFX to GKS, you need a tool called Key Tool. You can find the Key Tool under the GRE bin folder. Copy the PFX file to the bin folder where you can find the Key Tool. Go to this folder in the command box. Run the command. Enter the GKS password and the password from the PFX. You can use the same password for all the steps. Here is the GKS file for Tomcat. After you get the GKS file, we can go to the last step to configure the GKS file for Tomcat. You need to copy the GKS file to the Norming Tomcat folder. And go to config folder to open server XML. Based on your Tomcat version, you copy the configuration file for Tomcat 8 or Tomcat 9. Let's now copy the GKS file to the Tomcat. This is the Tomcat folder. Go to config folder. Right-click to open the XML. Before you add the configuration, check your Tomcat version first. You can go to bin folder and check your Tomcat version. It's Tomcat version 9. So I can copy this to the XML. Find the original configuration for SSL and copy it after that. This is the port number. You can change the SSL port number. Here is your GKS file name and password. Save the XML. And restart the Tomcat service. Now let's try to access the Norming Resource Manager with the SSL port number. And if you see this message, your connection is not private. That means the SSL has been successfully configured.